section we have seen the basic connectivities that are used for the proposition. Now we will see the advanced connectivities that are nothing but the conditional statement and biconditional statement. So as its name implies, it is conditional and biconditional statements, means whatever propositions are there, they are connected with each other by any particular condition. That's why they comes under the category of conditional and biconditional statements. So the first one is the conditional statement. So it is denoted by the single-headed arrow. So conditional statement is the proposition which is having the type if-then statement. The statements or propositions are connected by using if-then. And how they are denoted? By P arrow Q. It is single-headed arrow. So for example, if I am saying proposition P is Amol works hard and proposition Q is Amol will pass. So by using the conditional statement, it will, if Amol works hard, then Amol will pass. That means there is a condition. If Amol is working hard, only then he is passing the exam. That's why it is called as conditional statement. So the truth value for them, when both the statements are true, you are getting the truth value true. When first statement is true and second one is false, means your first condition is true and second condition is false, you are getting the value as false because your second condition is false. It is necessary that whatever part of your first condition is there, that should always have the truth value true. So when you are having the proposition P as F and Q as T, we are getting the truth value as true, and when we are having both the value as false, you are getting the value as true. So keep in mind, whenever we are having two statements and the value of first statement is true and second statement is false, at that time you are getting the value false because it is the type of if-then. If I am saying if Amol is working hard, then he will fail. Because why he will fail? Because Amol will not pass. So it is false because he is working hard now. That's why you are getting the value as false. That's why keep in mind, whenever your first statement is true and your second statement is false, you are getting the truth value as false because it is the conditional statement. Same way, our second part is biconditional statement. As it is the biconditional statement, it is denoted by double-headed arrow. Okay, conditional it was single-headed. Here it is double-headed. So it is the type of if and only if statement, and it is denoted by P double-headed arrow Q. So suppose if I am saying P is the proposition that an integer is even and Q is the proposition it is divisible by 2. So we can say that an integer is even if and only if it is divisible by 2. Right? That is the biconditional statements. Both conditions are required over here. Yes. Because if the integer is even, you know that it is divisible by 2. And if anything is divisible by 2, you know that it is even. That's why they are called as biconditional. Keep in mind how the difference is there. In conditional, both are not having any particular thing that is stating us the exact meaning, because both are not exactly dependent. Okay, but here both are saying the same thing. If I am saying it is even integer, it is definitely divisible by 2. And if I am saying it is divisible by 2, it is definitely even integer. That's why it is called as biconditional statement. So it is denoted by P double-headed arrow Q. So whenever you are having the proposition's truth value similar, at that time you are getting your truth value as true. Means if your both propositions are true, you are getting the truth value as true. If your both proposition truth value is false, you are getting the truth value as true. Because the condition is that whatever propositions are there, their truth value should be similar. And that is the truth table is there. That true, we are getting true. False, you are getting true. Otherwise, they are false. because your one condition is true and one condition is false. So that is how biconditional statement works. In conditional statement, what I said, if your first condition is true and second is false, you are getting the false value, otherwise it is true. And in biconditional statement, the truth value of both propositions should be either true or false, but that should be similar. At that time, we are getting the truth value as true. So this is nothing but the conditional and biconditional statement is where conditional is of the type if then and biconditional is of the type if and only if. So in our next section we will see how the verbal statements are are converted into the mathematical expressions by using these connectivities, and how the mathematical expressions can be converted into the verbal statements by using these connectivities. Thank you.